Hey everyone, today we'll be folding this. What, you can't see it? It's a giraffe. Yeah, I know it looks a little weird. It's stylized, that's what I'm gonna call it. So if you wanna fold this, then let's get started. Alright, so let's start this model out with a 6" of orange paper. So first thing we want to do is turn over and diagonally fold in half. Alright, now unfold, and we want to make a pinch mark right here. So by doing that, we can take this point and fold it to this point. But remember, we're just making a pinch right here. Actually, you know what? We can fold all the way across. Alright, now let's unfold. And let's take this point and place it on this point. And this time, we actually want to just pinch. Let's pinch here. Then, let's just pinch on the sides to be safe. And then, rotate and repeat. Okay. And now take this point and fold it to this middle point. Alright, now unfold and rotate and repeat. Okay, now what you want to do is make a fold in between these two creases. Alright, and rotate and repeat. Alright, so now I've made a little mistake, but that's okay. We're actually gonna mount and fold these behind. And then some creases will be reversed. Alright, so now we will fold... Actually, no, sorry, we won't fold it in half. We will make this a mount and fold. And then we will also make this center crease a mount and fold. And this a mount and fold as well. And we're just gonna reverse this. We're gonna crimp it inside so that this point matches up with these 2 points. Alright, now we want to make a petal fold by folding this up and then make sure that this crease lines up with this crease. And you can fold this part flat. Oh, and actually mount and fold this behind. I guess we did do it right after all. And then, now if we turn over, we can, first of all, valley fold this, and do the same that we did on this side. Alright, and now we have this. So, if you have not already noticed, this will be the head. And now let's focus a little more on the tail. So, let's fold along this crease. Like that. And then fold it out. How far? I forget. But let's just say about that far. Yeah, so that this point lines up with this point. Okay, so now let's unfold it like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this inside the model. So let's open this. And let's make a mount and fold along here. And a valley fold along here. And then we're just gonna close it up. So it looks like that. Okay, now we have a white tail, which is kind of a problem because we want an orange tail. So let's reverse fold this down. Well, yeah, first let's open this up, and then let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And then whatever paper is left in here, just squash like that. And it should look something like that. And then what you do is turn over and repeat on this side. that is pretty much our giraffe base. Alright, so now let's work on the tail and the head. So what we want to do is, let's first work on the tail. So, first what you want to do is mount and fold this in, and then also mount and fold this in, and let's reverse fold the tail down. So, about like that. It doesn't need to be precise. And then what you can do to make the legs is take this edge and then fold it along to this crease, and do the same over here, and then make a mount and fold across here. It doesn't really matter exactly where it is, but it should look like that. And then now what you want to do is you want to make a bend from here and here. Notice how I said bend, because you don't want to actually fold it, you just want to kind of just do this, and then same from here to here. And let's fold it down like this. And now let's turn over and do the same over here. Alright, so now it should look something like that. Alright, now it's time to work on the head. Hopefully I remember it because it's pretty tricky. But anyways, first what we want to do is, let's fold this down about like that. There's no reference point for this. Now let's unfold and let's open this flap and squash it on the crease that we made. Alright, now let's unfold like this, and then we want to open these two flaps out like this. I might zoom in here. Okay, so we open the flaps, and then we just want to squash it like this. And it should look like that. And let's fold this upwards. This is the part where I forget, but I think what we do is let's open it again, and let's valley fold this forwards. And then now what we want to do is make a fish base. No, sorry, not a fish base. We want to make a rabbit ear. So by folding this up here, and this edge to this crease, and then form the two together to make a rabbit ear. And then pull this outwards to make somewhat of a face. And then to make it look a little bit less weird, we can open this flap up and then just valley fold the point in just a little bit. And if we close it back up, it should look a little something like that. Now, as an extra step, let's make a fold from this point to the tip of the ear. Alright, and now let's unfold, and here there's a few things we can do. We can either do a close sync or an open sync. I'm going to do a close sync, but whatever you want to do, you can do. So yeah, there's the closed sync, and then I will repeat that on this side. Alright, and if we straighten everything out, we are pretty much done. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed folding that, and stick around for next time, and I'll see you then. Bye!